Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a USB flash disk bootable using command prompt. First of all, you insert your flash disk into your PC. Then you check the size of your flash disk. Go to this PC. This is 3.17 gigabytes of 3.74 gigabytes. So after noting the size, you come and type CMD in the search box. Then you select CMD. Second, you type Diskpart. Then you press enter. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? You say yes. Then you type list disk to see how many disks you have. So disk 0 is online, and disk 465 gigabytes, that is my hard disk. Then you see disk 1 is online, and is 3.84 gigabytes, that is my flash disk. So I want to format using command prompt, that is making it bootable. So I select disk. Disk 1 is now the selected disk. I clean. Diskpart succeeded in cleaning the disk. Then I create partition. Diskpart succeeded in creating the specified partition. So I select partition 1. Partition 1 is now the selected disk. Then I mark it as active. Diskpart marked the current partition as active. Then format file system equals to FAT32, file allocation table 32, space, then quick format it faster. Diskpart succeeded in formatting the volume. Then assign. Diskpart successfully assigned the drive letter or mount point. Then you exit. Exit. That is it. You see my USB flash disk formatted and is ready to copy any file, formatted using CMD. Or in other words, I've made it bootable. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and share.